Hi everyone, my name is JB Francolio from BSBA Marketing Management. So now let's talk about the Polias problem solving strategies. So there are 4 steps process for problem solving. First is understand the problem. Second, devise a plan. Third, carry out the plan. Lastly, look back. So let's try using these steps. So our problem is Maria wants to buy notebooks that cost 3 pesos each. She has 20 pesos. How many notebooks can she buy? And how much money will she have left over? So let's use the first steps. The first step is Maria has 20 pesos and each notebook costs 3 pesos. We need to find out the maximum number of notebooks she can buy and how much money she will have remaining after purchase. By understanding the problem, we identify the key details, the price of each notebook and total money Maria has. For the second step, devise a plan. To find how many notebooks Maria can buy and her remaining money, divide her total money by the notebook price. Then multiply the number of notebooks she can buy by the price and subtract the amount spent from her total. So let's go on to the third step, carry out the plan. So in carry out the plan, there are 3 plans. First is divide 20 by 3. So 20 divided by 3 equals 6 with a remainder. So Maria can buy 6 notebooks. Second, multiply the number of notebooks by the price per notebook. 6 notebooks times 3 equals 18 pesos. And third, subtract the amount spent from her total money. So 20 minus 18 equals 2. That means Maria can buy 6 notebooks with her 20 pesos and she will have 2 pesos left over. The steps show how we apply the math operations to get the correct result. And the last step is the look back. In look back, we can check our answer by multiplying the number of notebooks Maria can buy, the cost of each notebook, and then adding the remainder. 6 times 3 equals 18 plus 2 equals 20. This matches Maria's total money, so our answer is correct and makes sense. Looking back helps us make sure our solution first the problem and is accurate. So my final answer is by following Polias problem solving strategies, understanding, planning, solving, and checking, we solve the problem clearly and correctly. Maria can buy 6 notebooks and she will have 2 pesos left. Thank you for watching.